RC Boat Components Overview. Remote Controller Guide. Battery installation. Open the remote, insert two AA alkaline batteries, and match the polarity markings. Not included, matching the polarity markings. Then close the battery cover. Open the outer hatch lid. Open the outer hatch cover, unscrew the battery compartment screw, and remove the battery for charging. The USB plug light stays off while charging. Once fully charged, the red light on the USB plug turns on. Reconnect the battery plug to the boat plug. Close the battery cover securely to prevent water from entering. Then firmly fasten the hatch lid. Turn on the remote control. The power indicator will blink. Then, place the boat in the water. Once the remote's power indicator stays solid, the remote and boat are successfully paired. Move forward. Move backward. Turn right. Turn left. Light button. Press repeatedly to switch between 7 light modes. Press the 8th time to turn the light off completely. Short press this button to spray water, and press it again to stop. If the boat drifts when moving straight, manually adjust the rudder to correct the direction. When both the boat and remote control lights flash, the battery is low. Bring the boat back promptly. In low power mode, the boat light stays red and cannot switch to other lighting effects. When the remote control light flashes rapidly, the signal is weak. Bring the boat back promptly. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn off the remote control. After taking the boat out of the water, the light stays on for 8 seconds, then turns off automatically. Dry the toy boat, open the hatch, and remove the battery. Post-play care takes only 30 seconds. Thanks for watching. Questions? We're on the box.